All right, hi, this is Joy Frazier, and this is my English portfolio for English 2210. So, starting off, what you're going to be seeing here is the homepage for my website. This is going to be essentially, I suppose, the hub of it all, but to get us started, let's look at where you can access each page, which is going to be on your left-hand side over here. I actually chose it to be on the left side because I feel like it makes it feel more intentional, in the sense that the viewer has a place that they can go back to and refer to, instead of having the words up here at the top where you run the chance of having, the words being too light and then the background not mixing too well with it and they're not able to find what they need. And so this just, I don't know. I preferred it and I thought it was pretty, so I chose it. So what you're going to see in front of you is the About Me section. It's just a really simple rundown of who I am. It talks about my age, what I major in, a couple things I like, and I actually really wanted to put some pictures down here, but sadly my computer said, not today, so I will be adding that in later. As for the next two pages, we have projects and we have reflections. They're going to look very, very similar because both of them are essentially empty slates. I don't plan on having anything in there until I'm able to have a more finished version of my projects and to be able to talk to more peers about stuff in order to have more reflections on it. So the next one is rough drafts, which I have this in the center and it will be moved around a bit, but I really do love the entire mood I have around it, and I was thinking about maybe forming the things around it, like each rough draft and kind of the shape of a heart. As for my conclusion, I chose to have this really thick border on top because I really wanted to draw the viewer's eyes to it. I felt like it was kind of a good closing statement thing. And one thing I actually really, really wanted to do was keep to a certain aesthetic. And so within this website, I chose a lot of reds because I feel like people tend to associate things with color, and I want people to associate the color red with me. So I chose it in, the background of things, and hopefully when people see this, they'll be able to go, that's Joy. This is very her. I want to give the viewer this feeling of, I know exactly who created this. So yeah, if you have any tips, tricks, anything, any constructive feedback, please let me know, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for listening.